And parents of the Frederick County Public Schools community are in a complete uproar after a recent board meeting spiraled into a heated debate about what should and shouldn't be taught in the classroom.
Yeah, WBM's Skylar Salas found out what is causing the controversy and what comes next.
What started out as an update to a health curriculum has quickly turned into a disagreement between FCPS board members and parents about sexual orientation and gender identity being taught in the classroom.
He's not going to give you your minutes.
The update of the curriculum would also include lessons on recognizing different ways people identify and express their gender identity. It also includes teaching kids to treat those who identify as transgender or binary with respect. But the meeting ended with nothing accomplished after it quickly delved into chaos following a shouting match between parents on both sides of the issue.
And I think there were a lot of people that came there with a misunderstanding of what the meeting was and what the process is, and they were aggravated when they didn't have the opportunity to share their opinion. And then it became an unruly situation where people were grabbing the microphone, were shouting down staff as they were trying to talk and share. It was an extremely bad situation.
Chris Fair, who is the director of the Frederick LGBTQ Center and an advocate for the LGBTQ community, says this updated curriculum is needed for kids who have no outlet to talk about these types of topics.
I can tell you all the way to almost the exact moment that I developed my first crush on a person of the same gender, and it was all the way back in 3rd grade, ironically. And at that time, there was no resources. There was no nothing.
Some of the parents I talked to who are against the update felt like the board didn't display an appropriate level of transparency and felt like this decision should not be up to the government, but instead up to the parents.
It's not appropriate to talk to 5-year-olds and 6-year-olds about it's okay to be gay, because 5-year-olds and 6-year-olds are looking to color and draw with inside the lines. They're not looking for ideology at 5 years old.
They think we're all there because we don't like people who are gay or transgender, which couldn't be farther from the truth. We just don't want it taught to small children. That's a parental concern. They should be talking about that, not the public education.
Now, after talking with a few FCPS parents, they said if the problem is not rectified, they do plan to press the issue further at next week's school board meeting. Reporting in Frederick, I'm Skylar Salas with WDVM 25.